Hi! In front of me is Amazon Fire HD 10, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, click on Lock Screen Passcode and tap on PIN or Password. I will go with PIN. When you're ready, you need to create it and then repeat it in order to confirm it below. Lastly, select Finish. So now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that PIN is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!